Good morning, student friends. In this lecture, we will see foundry mechanization. Up till now, we have seen the computer application in the foundry processes. Now, we will see foundry mechanization. If the number of castings required from given foundry increases, it becomes increasingly economical to resort to mechanical equipments. Means foundry mechanization or modernization. Here we have to minimize the use of human, and more we have to depend on the machinery to perform the work which is previously done by the operator. Means the work, if that work is done by the equipment, then it is called as a foundry mechanization. Production of casting in large quantities does not depend totally on the use of handling equipments. It also needs special techniques, that is modernization, to obtain maximum benefit from the equipment. Now, for almost all the industries in this world are running for maximization of the profit. If only we are using the various instruments to maximize the profit, it is not only the solution, but we have to go some for modern techniques so that we can use that equipment more effectively, so that we can have a maximum profit out of that. Thus, for economical and quality production on mass scale, both things are required, that is modernization and mechanization. Both the things are very important. Modernization means use of newer equipments, and mechanization means use of equipments to perform the work which is previously done by the operator, that is foundry mechanization. Now, this modernization of foundries include changing over to better and newer foundry equipments. Means in the previous years we have seen that foundry is full of dust, it is having molding sand on the floor, and if a blow of air will come, directly that sand particles are entering into the eyes and nose of the operator. But now modern foundries, they are having air fumes extraction system, air circulation system, air filtration system they are using. Again they are using various types of lighting system, so that operator will work in the environment which is betterly suited. Again he has a pleasant mood, so that he can go for a maximum work in 8 hours of a shift, employing newer, better and more economical molding, melting and casting techniques. Here previously we were carrying out molding by the hand, that's why uh, the uh, the production cost will be more and less production is achieved per shift. But now we are using modern molding techniques, that is machine molding, squeezing, jolting, pit molding, sand slinger, all these are the machine molding techniques nowadays we are using. Again for melting we are using induction furnace nowadays, but in previous years or in previous few years we were using only cupola furnace, that is operated by using a coal, and as coal is involved in the melting operation, more fumes are created, or more air pollution in the foundry industry is there. So it can be minimized by using a induction furnace, because it is a clean form of heating. And casting techniques means for handling of molten metal, nowadays we are using robots. In bigger foundries we are using robots. For critical application, for foundering of for pouring technique we are using the robots. Improving the working condition in foundries, air circulation and dust extraction, these are very important. Air circulation, dust extraction must be there. Proper illumination in the foundry industry is required, then only operator will feel very easy to work in that environment. This modernization helps in improving the quality of casting. If we are maintaining very good work culture, then quality of the casting will be automatically improved. Boosting the production means we can increase the production rate if we are improving the working condition. Reducing the production cost, ultimately as and when the working culture or working environment has been improved, cost of production will be reduced. Increasing safety to the worker, obvious thing is there. If dust is extracted, fumes are retarded, air circulation is there, proper illumination is there, then defects will be very less and operator safety will be more. And for critical application we can use the robots, means for handling of higher melting metals, means like a steel. For handling of steel we have to take utmost care because it has 2300 centigrade melting temperature. For those things we can use the robots, making the working condition pleasant and less tiring. Operator must feel pleasant while working in that environment, and it should be a less tiring. Then only we can say that we can maximize the profit. That is modernization. And mechanization means use of machinery to perform the work which is previously done by operator. Mechanization implies utilization of machinery to complete the work which is previously done by hand. Previously we were using the hand molding, means for ramming of the moldings, and we were using operator's hand. Nowadays we are using machines, that is hydraulic machines are there in the industry, that is squeezing, jolting or sand slinger. Mechanized foundries range between simple roller track system. I told you in the first chapter the molds are mounted on the rollers. Rollers means जे काही लोखंडी चाक असतात ते, that is rollers, and that rollers along with that mold they are moving on the track. Track is present in the industry, that is mechanization in the foundry. Previously that mold was taken from one station to another station by lifting of the crane or by lifting of the operator, but now that lifting of crane or operator has been reduced and we were using a simple roller track system to very complex and partially automatic installation. Automatic installation means that foundry has sensors, as and when that furnace has a sensor, as and when that metal reaches to the stage of pouring it will give some indication. Again, as and when that metal is reaching to the required chemical composition, it will give some indication on the display. This is a automatic installation. By using a remote also you can have the control in the foundry industry. Just melting of the metal from furnace into the pouring ladle, and from pouring ladle into the mold cavity. All these operations you can perform automatically. These are the automatic installations. Mechanized foundry deal with large quantities. Obviously, if we are implementing various types of machinery in the foundry industry, then it should be useful only when we are having large quantity production, and looks for every small economy to reduce the final cost. This mechanization is looking to reduce very small production cost in the foundry industry, and it is only dealing with the large quantities. For small quantity it is not possible, because for modernization or mechanization we have to invest more and more money. Now the extent to which foundry can be mechanized depends on the quantities of casting to be produced. How much mechanization we should apply or how much money we should invest in the mechanization of foundry, it depends on the quantities of casting to be produced, the amount of flexibility desired in producing the different castings, means size and shape of the casting is changing each time, the method used to perform various steps in making the casting, and need to improve the working condition. How much there is a need to improve the working condition, on all those things mechanization of the foundry depends. Now we will see the advantages of foundry mechanization. Increase the production. From the given floor space of that foundry industry we can increase the production just by using the mechanization. Again, mechanized foundry has closer dimensional tolerances, improved surface finish and higher accuracy, because most of the things are done by the equipment. That's why you will achieve those things. Better time and labor are saved. Both time and labor are saved since heavy lifting and other laborious operations are carried out mechanically, means less tiring for the operator, so that operator will work with more efficiency for other processes. More hygienic and healthy working condition in the foundry. If dust is extracted, air circulation is there, proper illumination is there, then all those things are more hygienic, healthy as well as safety. Minimize the casting defects. Obviously I told you while studying the defects also, if the casting process is not properly carried out, I am talking specifically about the sand casting, at that time near about 30 to 35 various types of defects are liable to occur. and we have to minimize those defects just by using this foundry mechanization or modernization. Production of sound castings, faster rate of production, reduced production cost, all those are the advantages of foundry mechanization. Uneconomical for jobbing foundry. Jobbing foundry means if that foundry is running on smaller jobs, means it has a lesser quantities, that foundry is called as a jobbing foundry. Producing casting in small quantities on and not expecting repetitive orders, that foundry is called as a jobbing foundry. And this mechanization is not suitable for the jobbing foundries because more amount of more money is involved in the modernization, increase the chances of unemployment. As and when we are using more and more equipments in the foundry industry, then operator work is reduced automatically, so that it is causing unemployment and can reduce the skillful workers of the machine hand molding. In case of hand molding, the operator is taking judgment and more skill of that operator is involved in case of hand molding, but that skill has been reduced by using the machine molding techniques. These are few of the disadvantages. Now at this point, this unit 3, fettling, cleaning and inspection of casting, along with computer application in foundry processes, modernization and mechanization, that unit 3 is end.